Hello kids, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to learn about something really cool in English called pronouns. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Have you ever seen these words before? I, he, she, you, we, they and it. These words are used instead of a noun. To make this easier, let's explore a little bit more. I used when you talk about yourself. You are used when you talk to someone else. She is used for a girl or woman. He is used for a boy or a man. We is used for a group of the people that includes you. They is used for more than one person, animal or things. It is used for a thing or an animal. From these words we understand that a pronoun is a word used in a place of noun to avoid repeating the same noun in a sentence. Pronoun makes sentences smoother and clearer. Imagine you have a friend named Rohit. You could say, Rohit likes to play games. Rohit is really good at soccer. Rohit also loves to read. But saying Rohit all the time can get a little tiring, right? Correct. That's where pronouns come in. Instead of saying Rohit every time, you can use the word he to replace it. So now you can say it. Rohit likes to play games. He is really good at soccer. He also loves to read. See how much easier that is. Let's explore a little bit more this topic. As we know that the noun is the name of the person, place, animals and things. That's why we use these words in the place of person, place, animal and thing. For the person, the word that can be used instead the noun of the person are I, he, she, you, we and they. For the place, we can use it. Places cannot be categorized any gender from, so the word used it to replace all the places. For the animal, we can use it. You can know the gender of the animal, you can use she or he for the animals, or you can replace the noun of the animal using the word it and they. For the thing, there are thousands of things around us and all these are inanimate objects. So they come in neuter gender and neuter gender fourth gender form. So here we can use it to replace anything. Kinds of pronouns. There are two kinds of pronoun. Subject pronoun or object pronoun. Subject pronouns are used when the pronoun is the subject of the sentence. I, you, we, he, she, it and they are subjective pronouns. Objective pronouns are used when the pronoun is the object of the sentence. Me, you, us, him, her, it and them are objective pronouns. Let us read short sentences and identify the pronoun in there. Are you ready? Let's go. I am a beautiful girl. Here, I is the pronoun. She is my younger sister. She, here she is pronoun. We are playing and having fun. We, here we is pronoun. He is my cousin. He, here he is pronoun. Yay, you did a great job. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. See you in next video. Till then, tata, bye bye.